Hi, this is Marina from Best Body Health Coach, and today I'm showing you how to make a kale shake. So what you need for it is some kale, organic kale. There are different types of kale. I prefer the curly kale, but it's up to you. Make sure that you wash it before you use it to get off any pesticides, herbicides. Otherwise it will have a bit of a bitter taste when you drink it. Then you need some frozen blueberries and some mint. So what we usually do is we pre-package it and we put one portion in a package and then we freeze it. So it's very easy for you to just go and grab one, make your kale shake for the day, and off you go again. So for one person you would take 2 handfuls of kale, you would take 1 handful of blueberries and just a few leaves of mint according to your own taste. Then we also use half a glass of filtered water or bottled water. So this is how we do it. Very simple, quick and easy. Grab your blender, put your package in for the day. There we go. So this has already got the kale, the blueberries and the mint in. You add your water and then put it in your blender, and you want to blend it for quite a while because you want to make sure that the texture is good and it's not going to taste horrible. There we go. Okay, great. So then you just take it off, unscrew the lid. Depending on your blender, you can either pour it in a glass or just put on a nice lid like this, and you're ready to drink your kale shake for the day.